Good day everyone, my name is Olaf, student number 247099, and I'm here to talk about the game, and the topic of the game is fractions, whereby it's within grade 6 mathematics term 3. So here it's all about the fractions. This is the board that we're going to use, and the flashcards whereby there is questions inside the flashcards. So yeah.
Good day everybody, my name is Kyotek Lisishangu and I am here to explain the game more further. So you're going to have a die and then you're going to roll the die, pick a card, read the question on the card. If your answer is correct, you move how many times the die says you must move. So if you get it wrong, you don't move your token. And then if you land on the turbo boost, you move 2 steps ahead, and if you land on the flat tire, you move two steps backward. So yeah, the first one to finish the game is the winner. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes, the game is aligned to the learning objectives as it reinforces the key concepts learners were expected to understand. It provides opportunities for learners to apply knowledge, practice skills, and demonstrate understanding in an interactive way. The challenges and tasks within the game are directly related to the lesson's content, ensuring learners remain focused on the intended outcomes. The positive accomplishments of the GBL activity, there was a higher learner engagement. The game captured learners' attention and motivated them to participate actively. There is improved understanding. Learners are able to grasp complex concepts through hands-on experiences. There is collaboration. The game encourages teamwork and peer learning, fostering communication skills. And there is immediate feedback. Learners receive instant feedback which help them correct mistakes and improve their performance. The negative or difficulties of the GBL activity, there were technical difficulties, issues such as slow devices, internet connectivity problems, or unfamiliarity with the platform disrupted the flow. There was off-task behavior. Some learners would rather focus on something else rather than playing the game. There is time constraints. The game actually took longer than planned, leaving less time for reflection and discussion.
How many quarters make a whole? 4 quarters make a whole. I move for 1, 2.
Which one is clear? 0.9 or 7/8? 7/8.
Right shot. 5 quarters. 1. But you will skip the next round. Choose the pair of your choice to
Which one is bigger? 0,9 or 0 or 7/8? 7/8.
over 4 minutes, over 4 is
Yeah, there's a shop.
like higher. I'm still